Have you ever heard someone talk about an orphaned aircraft? This might seem like an odd term because aircraft, if maintained properly, can remain in service almost indefinitely. There are also aircraft like the Eclipse, the Westwind, and the Astra that have been out of production for many years and have limited vendor support because their manufacturers have gone bankrupt or the design has been acquired and no one wants to put the resources into supporting the aircraft. So why am I even raising the topic? Well, there are a number of aircraft in this category that can still deliver solid value to the right owner. This translates into acquiring a great aircraft well below the price of a competing aircraft. In addition, as technology advances, more and more aircraft are likely to fall into this category. I have firsthand experience owning, operating, and maintaining aircraft that are orphaned. These aircraft have specific features and benefits that are superior to competitive aircraft, but for commercial reasons simply failed to succeed. One aircraft that fits into this category is the Hawker 4000. In my opinion, it's superior to the original Challenger 300 or Gulfstream G200, but failed because customers were unwilling to wait for delivery following years of delays and broken promises. Today, there are some 70 Hawker 4000s in existence, but Textron's commitment to supporting this aircraft is questionable. To successfully operate a Hawker 4000, an owner needs someone that is responsible for staying ahead of its maintenance and parts requirements. This means you must have a full-time crew chief that is savvy, understands the latest troubleshooting techniques, and is willing to sign off much of his own work, since the number of repair stations authorized on the type is limited. Patience is key, since it can take several attempts to resolve the occasional nuisance issue that pops up. This demands that your AMT be open to communicating and sharing knowledge with other operators of the type. When it comes to pilots, attitude is key. Your crew must be willing to fully understand the aircraft and be eager to master its unique qualities. Your crew also needs to be in constant communication with their crew chief about the aircraft's status, and they need to understand its limitations. In my opinion, an orphaned airplane is not a good candidate to place on a Part 135 charter certificate because these aircraft need additional downtime to accommodate their unique support requirements. If a customer wanted to purchase a Hawker 4000, for instance, I recommend that the aircraft be managed in-house flying only under Part 91. I'd hire a full-time salary-based crew chief and flight crew, all of whom have a flexible attitude toward operating this unique asset. For an owner that is willing to put the right resources in place, operating an orphaned aircraft can be a cost-effective and worthwhile experience. If you're considering an aircraft like this, please call me to discuss if an orphaned aircraft is right for you. I'm Dave Coleman. Thanks for listening.